In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Stremio on MacBook. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just go ahead and search Stremio download. Then go ahead and click on the first link. Now, once you're here, you'll have to download this one right here, which says Stremio for Mac OS. So I'm just gonna download that. I'm gonna click enter. I'm gonna wait for it to download. It's almost done. Right, perfect. Then I'm gonna click on it. I can open it. Perfect. Then I'm gonna drag the Stremio onto the applications folder. I'm just gonna replace it. I'm just gonna wait for it to happen. Alright, perfect. Now once that is done, you can just simply go ahead and close it. And you can also obviously just go ahead and delete the installation file. And then if you go to your launchpad and you search up Stremio, there you go, it's right there. Now I can just go ahead and open it. If you want, you can just right click option and keep in dock, so it comes all the way there. Now you just have to wait for it to verify, and this only happens the first time because it's your first time opening the app. So we're just gonna wait patiently. It's an app downloaded from the internet. Just go ahead and click open. And there you go, it's successfully opened. Just wait for a while, and there you go. I can just type in my email and password, or I could just sign up with my email, and there you go. You're free to use Stremio however you want. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.